Welcome to Quick Particulars. Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on earthquakes and volcanic eruptions as causes of dynamic geology. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions are two of the most significant natural events that shape the dynamic geology of the Earth. These processes occur due to the movement of tectonic plates, which form the Earth's crust. The Earth's crust is made up of several tectonic plates that move slowly over time due to the convection of heat within the mantle. When these plates move, they cause changes in the Earth's surface, resulting in earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Earthquakes are sudden and violent shaking of the Earth's crust caused by the release of energy. The energy is released due to the movement of tectonic plates. When two plates move past each other, they create friction, which causes pressure to build up. When the pressure becomes too great, the plates suddenly slip, releasing a tremendous amount of energy that causes the ground to shake violently. Earthquakes can range in intensity from minor tremors to major disasters, causing significant damage to buildings, infrastructure, and loss of life. Volcanic eruptions occur when magma, which is molten rock beneath the Earth's surface, rises to the surface. This can happen when tectonic plates move apart or collide, causing pressure to build up beneath the Earth's crust. When the pressure becomes too great, the magma rises to the surface, causing a volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruptions can cause significant damage to the environment, including destruction of buildings, forests, and farmland. They can also affect air quality, climate, and the surrounding ecosystem. Both earthquakes and volcanic eruptions have significant effects on the dynamic geology of the Earth. Earthquakes can cause changes in the Earth's surface, including the formation of mountains, valleys, and rifts. They can also trigger landslides, rockfalls, and other geological hazards. Volcanic eruptions can create new landforms, including islands and mountains, and can also produce fertile soil for agriculture. In conclusion, earthquakes and volcanic eruptions are two of the most significant natural events that shape the dynamic geology of the Earth. These processes occur due to the movement of tectonic plates, which form the Earth's crust. While they can cause significant damage and loss of life, they are also essential for the creation of new landforms and the renewal of the Earth's ecosystem. Understanding these processes is essential for predicting and mitigating their effects on human populations and the environment. Thanks for watching.